Hi guys, I am here in Naliagan, but ako sa my capital area. Tambay guys, sa my calls over there. He is filming. Look how pretty it is. Provincial capital ng Agusan del Sur. So nice. But first, this is my bag for today. So this is the age. This is package free. Sinasabit sa bag handkerchief. The wipes. Parang pouch. May mga ointment. Emergency pouch. Then the extra pouch and retouch. Ang retouch na. So, absolutely na powder. The Charlotte Tilbury na hinatag. The absolutely. And the Suns na lipi hinatag sa Dior. Hinatag sa and my Vice Cosmetics na blush. And sa pang makeup pouch. Then I have lip eye, perfume, alcohol, earphones, AirPods, then wallet, coin purse, another wallet, charge and key, then all share na power bank, receipt, then here ang jewelry, case, jewelry case, then wala, bracelet, then dalawat ang keychains, bag charms, namili, journal, then black plate, keychain, this clock, mini clock, then mini clock, then kakay, then pang bag tag, my Care Bear from Hong Kong, ipalit na peacock, then keychain, lucky charms, then my mini fan, and another keychain from me. So, ano ko mga bag charms. So, that's it.